Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to withdraw direct into your bank account. So how to withdraw from your Payoneer account to your bank account, to your local bank account. The first thing you have to do is log into your Payoneer account. Then you see many options button by the left side of your screen. Then as you can see, we have get paid, pay, Payoneer cards, and then withdraw and transfer. Then you click on withdraw and transfer. So after that, it takes you to two options like withdraw to your bank account, convert currency. Then you click on withdraw to bank. Then as you can see, it will bring out the withdraw to bank, as in the local bank. It will bring everything down here. Then if you have any phone you want to withdraw, you can just then you click on how to withdraw. You click on select balance. Maybe if you see your money in dollar, that is United, that is in US dollar. Then or maybe you see your money in euro or pound, so anyone you see money on. So then you can just click on anyone you want to withdraw your money from to your local account. So assuming it is US account, and then you can withdraw directly to your bank account, as in the local bank account. Then input the minimum amount you want to withdraw. So as you can see, it says 110,000 US dollar left to withdraw this month. That means you still have a lot. So if you have a lot of money to withdraw, so that's how you can withdraw directly to your local bank account. So if you really enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs like and subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video. Good evening.